Welcome back, everyone. Happy Labor Day weekend. Been working on the trailer. Figure I had 3 days to try to get the outside completely done. Finish the fiberglassing, finish the priming, and then finish the oh, there's a squirrel trying to get in there, and finish the final top coat. But I don't know if that's going to do it. It's Sunday late afternoon and I'm waiting for the epoxy to dry before I could sand the second coat. Anyway, been a couple days, so you can see I've put another coat of epoxy on, tried sanding it, but it's just not dry enough to work on it. So did some other things today. Added the heater vent, the diesel heater. Also ran the cable through a PVC pipe right down there. That'll be for the fuel pump, so I'm gonna have that right there. Fuel tank's mounted. I'll have to mount the fuel pump because I have to get a bigger washer and nut, so it won't be a problem there, but I have to do that. And then I have to run all the exhaust and everything else, which I'm going to weld tabs on so it gets away from the thing. So ran the controller, sorry about all the walking around, just in the corner over there, so that should be fine there. What else did I do? Just a little bit of sanding, sorry about the sun. The electrical is basically all done, just gotta wrap some of that stuff up. Inside is coming along. I'm gonna have to redo, not redo, but put another coat of poly on the floor. Mounted up the gauges again. All the electrical outlets are there. Have the wire for the fan, have to just cut that out. Bugs seem to love epoxy. So you can kind of get an idea. It's pretty smooth. The back's a little bit all over the place. But I have to sand it down. It's just a little thick. And then on the bottom, gonna sand it down. I was originally not gonna put anything along the bottom, but I just think just to make it cleaner and easier along the trailer, I'm gonna put a piece of trim along the bottom just to kind of hide the edge. Any other suggestions there, that'd be great. Appreciate it. Anyway, please hit like, subscribe. It's been going on about 2 days, but a lot of waiting and drying and waiting. This epoxy's been on this coat for about 5 hours now, and it's still just not dry, and it's about 90 degrees outside. It was in the sun most of the day. You can kind of see up top, looks pretty decent. Got some spots I tried sanding but did not work well. It just kept clogging up the sander. I've been using a air sander. To tell you the truth, I don't think a orbital or a one of those electric palm sanders would really do a whole lot. It might help, but that thing just makes easy work of it. But anyway, so please hit like, please hit subscribe. Any questions or anything else, let me know. But and get back. So finish up the epoxy, sand it down, and put a coat of Rust-Oleum fiberglass primer, and then I bought the marine Rust-Oleum top coat. So I'm gonna put that on. Supposedly it's UV resistant. It's for fiberglass. It's really made for boats above the water line, so I think that should be a good, sturdy, hard, weather resistant finish. So I'm hoping to do that and get that all taken care of. Anyway, thanks a lot. Please hit like and subscribe.